Hey, what's going on everyone? Drew Sanford here from MarineMax Huntington, and today we're doing a walkthrough of a really cool offering from the Saxdor lineup, the 2026 340 GTWA. Right here we're going to start at the transom. We're powered with twin Mercury Verado 300 outboards finished in white to give this plenty of power. Wide open, you're sitting over 50 miles an hour. So on the port side we have our beautiful summer kitchen with a Kenyan grill with our sink on the side as well. Make some nice grilling time, anchored out just like we are right now. Nice easy days on a summer day. Back here we have a really beautiful and spacious sun pad that is also an access to a pretty cool feature on a 34-foot boat. 2 cup holders on each side, and if we flip it up, we have access to an aft cabin that could either be used for sleeping too comfortably or some water sport toys when we want to get everything out of the way. As we move towards the starboard side, we have some nice line and fender storage that's also insulated, so we could use it for a cooler, and it has a drain plug at the bottom for nice, easy access. Another really cool thing about this is, with the terraces folded down, it gives us plenty more space and a nice beam, very stable, that gives you this private island feel when you're beached up at a sandbar. Really cool feature that you see across the entire Saxdor lineup. So now that we've walked our way into the cabin, we could see that with these really nice doors that open either both fully forward or fully aft, we have this really open concept that once again just enhances that private island feel with a lot of natural light. We work our way back, and this full back glass actually goes down with a flip of a switch, so we could put it down. Not to mention, not only is this a bench, but it's actually a really cool access point to that aft cabin that we were talking about before. So with this back glass folded down and these windows open, it's really nice and open air with a nice breeze that comes through, making this really comfortable. We have this folding teak table that comes out, and we can really enjoy a nice meal out on the water. So now that we've made our way to the helm, we can see that we have twin Simrad 16-inch screens that give us plenty of room for some chart plotting, gas gauges, performance on any of these Merc 300s, as well as some oversized switching for easy access of our anchor, our lighting, anything else throughout the boat that we want to have a quick switch to, easy to do. Below that switching, we have a wireless charging pad, as well as our access to our JL audio system that we have throughout the boat. With a nice leather wrapped steering wheel, as well as our Mercury twin throttles, we also have our joystick piloting, which is really a cool bit of tech. We could basically turn the entire boat on a dime, docking the boat completely with the use of that joystick, powered along with that bow thruster. So now that we're in our cabin, we can see for, once again, a 34-foot boat with all these features, there's plenty of space. We have a seat here, as well as a berth that could comfortably sleep another person. Above me, we could also see something that Saxdor does really good job with across their lineup, especially with this boat, is access to natural light. So we have these windows on the top of the cabin that really opens this space up and gives it a lot bigger feeling. That way when you're in here, you don't feel anything tight. It's nice, it's open, it's a good way to get out of the sun. Also in this cabin, we have access to our head with a sink as well. Vacuum flush head with a nice separation door that gives us access to divide it off from everyone else on the boat. Give you some nice privacy, as well as keeping the head away, and we could still have access to the cabin. So now as we walk our way towards the bow, like I said, this is the GTWA, which stands for walk around. So with this nice enclosed cabin, we have great access towards the bow. So we can start walking our way forward. And now that we're up at the bow, we have some really nice sectional seating with some cup holders all around, storage underneath seats that could be used for more lines, anything that you want to just stow away, get out of the way, or another space for some coolers as well. Gives some really nice entertainment space for all around the boat. If you think you'd like to check this boat out or anything else from the Saxdor lineup, come check us out at MarineMax.com or give us a call at 631-424-2710. We'll see you then.